fake home. Instead of fake taxi, this is a fake home.
I don't know what that means.
Producing Nick in Austin.
Are we the ones that have sex?
No, we're the directors. My bad. That's what I meant to
damn
say.
it.
What kind of cut do y'all get?
My bad. Well, I meant director.
Definitely a director.
We get 90%.
Yeah, we get
90%
90-10. We get 90-10, yeah.
Fresh tires. We rotating them. So this is what we working with right now. This is why we rotating them. See, now we were supposed to be getting these things replaced, but ain't New Year's and everything. Ain't nothing worked out the way we wanted it to. Out the way.
Unlock your jaw, unlock them, lock them, unlock them.
Unlock your jaw for the Fortnite balls.
You want them, Fortnite ball.
White tee, I put a whole info ticket on my white tee. Whole hood poppin' on.
She wanna pee, give her that dick soon as she wake up and before we go to sleep. She like my grill, so when we fucking, I'm on top, she lick my teeth. I'm the largest.
What that mean?
It don't get no bigger than me. Ghetto Barbie, let her hold the ARP. That's my gun. With me serving, swerving in the SRT. Prada and Balenciaga, Louis V. Overseas, making jiggle, wiggle, wobble, jelly bean. You drunk when she tell you, in other words, you a leapfrog. These niggas be puppies, what jumping Frenches on.
Goodbye. Goodbye, yeah. We're drinking and driving, officer.
I need more Eddies.
Austin.
I don't care, but I'm a daddy.
Big shout out to my homie. Bro, what the fuck is he doing? Alright. Look at that shit, bro. Look, that shit look brand new.
He's fucking tweaking out.
Who?
Look at that shit, bro.
What the fuck?
He hard at work, bro. What you know about that? Yeah. Ready.
Bluetooth pairing. Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. How you know pick up your phone ringing.
I can't fuck with none of y'all niggas, y'all disgust me. When you with your maggot ass friends, don't discuss me. Effing with a standing clip, I hope don't try to rush me. I am saying such and such a nigga ain't gon' touch me. Big body band, remember I used to be dusty. Now I want my money, y'all runners in the rush, please. I was selling weed when they came out with white tee. Now I put a whole leather ticket on my white tee. Whole hood poppin' for the niggas, they don't like me.
Jeez, they have raped that poor Cobalt. Holy shit.